Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, and welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, number 208 for Monday, the 15th of December, 2025. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember you're always responsible for your own trading decisions. Okay, so talking about companies that excite me, here's the exact opposite. Well, no, that's wrong. I'm being a bit harsh there, but those of you who've joined over the years, will know that I don't exactly sort of speak highly about Deutsche Bank. My experiences with them have been rather, let's say, coloured, shall we say? But ultimately, that is of no relevance or importance whatsoever because ultimately, as traders, investors, you're looking, is there a trend and can I surf part of it? And having been utterly moribund for many, many years, okay, Deutsche Bank share price, over the last couple of years, we have started to see that shift. For many years, it was kind of capped around 10 euros. Okay, this is the US listing here, but that's where we were looking at there. But as you can see for yourselves, okay, this has been in a significant trend. And we have sort of seen those kind of moves, those moves higher from 10 through 20 through 30. But I'm kind of getting curious about what is going on here at the what's going on here at the moment. Is this kind of a bit of a broadening formation that we're building with a double top here as well? In fact, some people might say, well, actually, Paul, that's actually more a bit of like almost like a triple top, a quadruple top, a double top, however you wish to call it. But for some reason, at around about that kind of 37 area, there seems to be resistance at the moment, and it's building a bit of a broadening formation. So, what do we look at? Well, of course, as I said, I'm always curious when I start to see price action here after a good run. Is this a case of people just taking a bit of profit for the end of the year? Or is this, significance of, this has had its run and I'm going to start to sort of roll over into 2026? Certainly for me, what I'd be looking for is, the 20 period moving average has acted as really nice, significant support, okay, over the last year, 18 months. We're still there at the moment. And so I'd be looking to see, well, okay, if the 20 continues to trudge its way higher, well, then I'd be looking to see, well, okay, do we bounce off it again and move above this sort of $37 area of resistance? But of course, alternatively, the other point is that actually, we break it and then we head down to the sort of the lower end of this kind of broadening formation into that kind of 32 area. All right. By which point, will the 50 have closed up and then we're into a decision point here, just above 30, 31, 32. Does it find real significant support? Like perhaps you can see there, and then push our way higher, or does it crack the 30? So it is going to be an interesting couple of weeks. I wouldn't be surprised if it was quiet for the next week or two, but maybe setting up into January. So once again, you might want to add Deutsche Bank to your watch list.